Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the Telegram Stories notification LED light color using the latest update. If you want your phone alerts to stand out or match your style, this is a simple setting you can customize in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, which is either the three lines in the top corner or your profile icon, depending on your version. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all its customization options, including notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here you'll find all the controls related to alerts, tones, and visual indicators. Now scroll until you see the Stories section and tap on it. This area is specifically for managing how you get notified about Telegram stories from your contacts. After that, tap on More Options. This will open additional settings that aren't immediately visible in the main Stories notification menu. From here, tap on Light Color. You'll now see a range of color options available for your notification LED. Pick the color that you like or the one that helps you easily recognize Telegram Stories alerts at a glance. Once you've chosen your preferred color, tap Set to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Telegram Stories notifications will now use the LED color you selected, making it easier to identify alerts without even unlocking your phone. This small customization can make a big difference, especially if you rely on visual notifications throughout the day. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more quick and easy Telegram tips.